Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. Yeah, this is your end of the month love reading. Okay, pagdating sa person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung meron pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating grantor necklace. So yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Okay? So, Capricorn, who is the person on your mind? The person on your mind, Capricorn. Sino yan? Anong meron dyan sa taong yan? Parang may nakita ko nag-flip. Hang on. Ay, oh yeah. Oh, yan. Oh, meron nga. So, the King of Chalices in reversed. So, I think this person is not available emotionally pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pwede, may chance na ganun. Pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's with this King of Chalices in reversed? Ooh. The Seven of Chalices in reversed. What? I think this person is afraid na ma-fall sa'yo. Yeah. Emotionally, may kaimaturan itong tao. Okay? Sabihin natin gusto ka, may emosyon, pero hindi niya hinahayaan na ma-fall sa'yo. Capricorn. I don't know if this is a past or a new person. Let's see, ano bang meron sa situation ninyo? Hindi niya hinahayaan na ma-fall sa'yo, pero gusto ka niya. Okay, gusto ka niya. Let's see, ano bang situation ninyo, Capricorn? Okay, the Six of Pentacles. Okay, what's with that? The Page of Swords. So, merong distansya ha. Mayroong distansya dito. Yeah. Capricorn, who is doing the, ang tawag dyan, yung over na pagbibigay, pagpapakita ng atensyon, ng emosyon, meron isa sa inyo. Okay? Meron ditong nag-i-stock rin, ha? Someone is giving more attention than the other. Time, effort than the other. Okay? Oh no. Oh no. Some of you have this age gap. Gap in general. May chance rin na malayo kayo sa isa't isa nito. Okay? Like physically. Yeah. There's no talking here. I think there's no talking. Some of you. Okay? Pero kitang-kita nung isa, yung effort nung isa. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay? Kitang-kita. Okay. So, let's see. Someone is sabihin nating parang expect na may gagawin yung isa sa kanya. Yes, may ganun ha. Ano ba meron? Ano bang meron sa past? Ano bang meron? Ano bang nangyari? Ba't ganito? Okay, the Hermit. Sa past, pwedeng hindi rin ganun ka-open pagdating sa communication, I think. The Hermit. This is silence. Okay? Let's see. Ano tong Hermit? pagdating sa past. Kung anong nangyari sa past, the Hermit. Maraming maraming paghahanap, maraming pagtatanong, in general. Okay? Someone is not available rin talaga. What's with that, Hermit? Oh, the Three of Chalices. Okay. Ito na. Capricorn. Itong person mo, okay, itong person mo, parang sabihin natin, kahit hindi siya available emotionally, gusto ka. Okay? Gusto ka nito. Meron ditong parang mga nakatago. I don't know. May chance na ang isang nagiging hadlang is a third party or friends kayo nitong taong to. Okay? Meron din ako nakikita dito ha, mga Capricorn, na itong taong ito gustong gusto na parang ini-stalk. Meron sa inyo, isa sa inyo. Okay, focus lang tayo sa inyong dalawa ha. Meron ditong gustong ini-stalk siya. Or merong gustong ini-stalk siya. Parang ganyan. Kaso nga lang, masyado tong tahimik. Yes. Para siyang loner. Okay, loner. Hindi siya sociable actually. Okay, hindi siya sociable. Sino man to? Nakatago palagi ang emosyon. Yeah. They're acting immature as well. Actually, gusto nito na makausap ka. Gusto nito na parang makasama ka. Yeah, pero hindi nila hahaya yung sarili nila na parang vulnerable or transparent sa mga gusto nilang mangyari. Okay? Hindi ko malaman kung nagkaroon na ba kayo ng connection nito kasi parang hindi. Hindi kayo nagkaroon ng connection na itong taong to. So, kung yung person na iniisip mo is nagkaroon kayo ng connection, hindi ito ang reading mo. I'm sorry, yes. Better luck next read, diba? Okay? Yeah, the moon. Are you stalking each other? Do you stalk? Yeah, each other. Yeah, this is like a waiting game. Kung sinong una, parang paunahan, sino unang magiging open. What? Capricorn, some of you, you're standing your ground. Like, hindi mo hahayaan rin yung sarili mo maging open or vulnerable sa taong to. Yeah. Meron ditong gustong-gustong makikita ka. Yeah, they find you parang generous, some of you. Okay? Like matulungin. Anyway, that's channeled. So let's see, ano bang emosyon nito for you talaga? Ano ba talagang emosyon nito for you? Emotion itong taong to. Ang lakas ng water sign. We have here Pisces, Scorpio, Cancerian, the Virgo. Yeah, may konting fire. No. May konting air and earth, actually. Okay? So, what is their true emotion? No? Pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn, let's see. The Five of Chalices in reverse. They need you. Yeah, they need you. Yeah, the World. The Queen of Swords. Being detached and cold, silent. Is this a silent treatment? Okay. So, the five of chalices, universe, and the world. So, parang mas minamabuti ng taong tong may distansya sa inyo. Yes. Sino to? Capricorn. Oh my golly. They watch you. Yes. They watch you. They're stalking you. They're watching you like a hawk. Someone younger, I think. May distansya. Some of you have mutual friends. You go places na pwedeng minsan nakakasama mo siya. I don't know. Yeah. Someone is, sabihin nating into you. Okay? I think you have this intuition pagdating sa person na to na gusto ka. Yes. Siya yun. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what is their next action towards you, Capricorn. Okay, may nakita akong number 1111 sa ating time. Okay. So, ano ba ang next action niya towards you? The Lovers in reverse. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. This is energy ng 1111, which is twin flame. Okay, 1111. Yeah, the Lovers. So, the Lovers in reverse and the Queen of Wands. Yeah. I think hindi ganoon parang kailangan ang tawag diyan, ma-awaken. Oo, itong taong to. I think kailangan niyang magising, no? Kailangan niyang magising. I think this is sabihin nating energy ng strong connection or strong emotion, parang ganyan. Pero nandun yung energy na parang nakapikit tong taong ito, hindi niya makita kung anong dapat para sa inyo. Alam niya na mayroon siyang feelings for you, but yes, parang iniiwasan niya yun. Okay, like naguguluhan rin minsan. Bakit ako nag-gusto dito kay Capricorn? Dapat wala. Parang ganon. Okay, or something like, yes, may something, may emosyon itong taong to, pero parang binabaliwala niya. Parang, yes, hindi niya pinapansin. Parang ganon. Okay? Pero every time na makikita ka ng taong to, yeah, simple as makita ka, parang feeling niya, talagang they're into you. Yeah, alam yun. Anyway. Yeah, they're not available emotionally, I think. Pero gusto ka lagi makita. Gusto ka laging masisilayan. Parang ganyan. Gusto pa lagi na parang every time na pupunta siya sa isang lugar, andun ka. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, they're attracted actually. Some of them, they're physically attracted pagdating sa'yo. Pero the Lovers in reverse, sarado pa eh. Sarado pa yung mata ng taong ito pagdating sa connection nyo na ito. Okay? I don't know kung ikaw, Capricorn, na nararamdaman mo yung strong urge, strong emotion pagdating sa person na to. Yeah. I think you're open. Some of you. Hindi ko nila lahat. Open ka sa taong ito. Nandiyan yung pwedeng pinapansin mo siya. Parang ganyan. Pero pagdating sa kanya, napaka-nonchalant. Parang wala lang, deadma. Parang ganun. Pero yes, may feelings deep down. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Ano ba ang Next action niya is ano eh, talagang attracted lang pero walang gagawin. Yeah. Yeah, they stalk you. They're stalking you. Big energy ng stalker. Okay. Oh my golly. Nagtatalunan. Oh, they're afraid then. Pwedeng na-intimidate. Outcome / advice for Capricorn, please. See? The King of Wands. We have a pair. Yeah. Yes, the King of Wands. What's with that King of Wands? Yeah, see the Ten of Chalices. We have the Emperor in reverse. So I think this is sabihin nating energy na talagang malalim, no? Andyan yung twin flame. Okay? Babanggitin ko na yung word, twin flame. Yeah. It's like a runner and a chaser. Scenario. Oo. Okay. Parang ganon. I think mutual yung feelings nyo for each other. Pero ikaw pwedeng mulat ka, siya hindi. Hindi niya makita. Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon ako kay Capricorn? Bakit ko nararamdaman yon? Some of them, they're younger. Yeah. Some of them, they're younger. Okay? Oh, this is deep. This is a strong connection, Capricorn. So, hindi niya kaya mag-step up. Someone is holding back. Pagdating sa love offer. Okay? So, pagdating sa outcome / advice, the King of Wands and the Ten of Chalices. So, I think, ito yung parang energy na gawing motivation. Okay? Or gawing motivation yung isa. Parang ganon. Okay? Wala akong masyadong makitang energy na ano ba ang kailangan mong gawin, ano ba ang tawag dyan, message pa ni universe. Ang nakikita ko kasi outcome nyo is sabihin nating para lang kayong every time na makikita mo yung isa, ganun rin siya. This is a mutual feelings, no? Happiness. Oo, parang ganyan, happy feel. Mga ganon. Okay? Kasi hindi kayo hindi kayo sabihin nating nasa isang level, no, ng frequency, maybe. Okay? So, pwedeng ikaw, mulat ka dito sa sitwasyon na to, alam mo yung nararamdaman mo, pero siya hindi. Parang ganon. Ang hirap. Actually, ang hirap nito, Capricorn. Yes. Oo. The Queen and the King of Wands. Attracted. Physically. Yeah. Pero nakita natin kanina si Emperor, that is the divine masculine. Pero for me, isa sa inyo or pwedeng siyang hindi pa marunong mag-step up. Okay? This is sabihin nating dapat makita, no, nung isa kung ano talaga ang meron sa connection nyo. Ang meron kung bakit niya nararamdaman yun. Parang ganun eh. And yes, hindi natin pwedeng ituro yun sa kanya. See? Beep. That's the message. Okay? Oh my God. Okay? Dapat mamulat na rin siya dito. Yeah. See, the Sun in reverse. Hindi pa niya makita eh. Hindi niya kita to. Mahirap na sitwasyon. Yeah. Yeah, someone is younger. So, ang mangyayari dyan, kapag hindi siya nag-step up or sabihin nating parang namulat, no, dito sa kung ano mang meron sa inyo, masasayang to actually. Yes. Masasayang to. Pwedeng ang isang issue dito is age or the distance. Parang ganon. Pero this is mutual feelings. 11-11 kanina. Sa'yo ko nga ba nabasa yon, Capricorn? 11-11, angel number. Okay, that is energy ng stability, energy ng twin flame, mga ganyan. Strong connection. Okay? Strong connection. Yeah. Dapat naging same level kayo ng taong to para makita niya rin or maramdaman kung ano ba ang meron dito sa situation nyo na to. Okay? Maybe whether past or new, same lang. Okay? So, yeah. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. So, pwedeng self-centered. Yeah. Taurus, they're afraid. I don't know why. They're scared. Gemini. Okay. So, nandyan yung pagbabackstab, I think. Yeah. Some of them, there's a Gemini who is healing or moving on. Parang ganyan. Cancer. So, mayroong ginagawang hindi tama si Cancer. Some of them, they're telling lies. Parang ganyan. Some of them, andun yung bitter. Okay, nakakaramdam ako ng bitterness sa puso ng mga Cancer yan. Ayan. Leo. Okay, they're open. Some of them, anything pwede nilang i-provide. Parang ganyan. Virgo, they want a new beginning with you. Libra. Okay, they want to know things. Some of you, may chance na pwedeng makakuha ka ng closure from this Libra. Scorpio, they need you. Okay. Sagittarius. So, it's sabihin natin hindi stable. Okay? May chance rin na hindi consistent itong si Sag. Some of them may issue sa pera. Kaya hindi nila kayang mag-step up or gumawa ng action towards you. Capricorn, okay, they see you as someone na pwedeng mag-nourish, someone na pwedeng nakikita kanila as mabait, parang ganyan, available, parang ganyan. Okay? Aquarius. May chance na may mangyayaring pagbabago with this Aqua. Okay? Pisces. Okay, they're walking away. Yeah. Distancing themselves, I think. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, don't forget, to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.